Dispute, delete, repeat. That's exactly what we're going to do. And I'm going to show you because we're live. Live automation, you only have 3 days left to get it at just a one-time payment of $149. And if you didn't see this comment before, we're going to go over it right now. This member said, if you're watching this video and you don't have live automation, it's like cooking without good cookware. It also goes on to state that you should get the credit repair course on steroids because it is packed with info. Can't emphasize this enough. Thank you, Kristen, for all you do. Again, thank you, Ray Rizzle, for that comment. But again, we're live and I'm going to show you one of the upcoming features. This is the CRM that I'm going to be building out into live automation. Live automation is the best dispute letter app, credit repair software tool on the market. And I'm not going to go over everything because I have tons and tons of videos that go into this, but I wanted to show you this because right now this is a do-it-yourself tool, which means that you just go in, add your personal information, and you're going to be able to dispute your negative items by either manually adding them or by importing a credit report with Identity IQ or Smart Credit. However, I'm building out this CRM. That means that you can add in whoever you want to. It's unlimited, and then go and add their accounts manually or by importing and do this for every single client. I didn't even tell you, this app will create the disputes for you and show you what you should be disputing. Let me just give you an example of this. Let's say that you went in and you added Jane, your cousin or your client. It's obviously you're going to need to add in their address, social, all that great stuff. But we're just going to say, hey, I want to dispute this person. And now we're going to import the report. We imported it and we populated all of these rows with their accounts that we want to dispute. Now, this is going to automatically populate the creditor name and the account number. As you can see, it says Bridgecrest, account number. We're going to dispute date last paid. But when I scroll over here, you can actually see that, and I'm talking about this column right here, when we change what we want to dispute, these balances and dates are also going to change with it. So this is going to show you where your inaccuracies and your violations are. So if we look at data last payment, it says 10/23, 10/23, 6/23. We have 3 different dates across. So date last paid, still looking good. Yeah, it's pretty much looking like the date last paid is going to be the thing that we want to dispute. Now, you can do this manually and look at your credit report and figure it out yourself, but with this, it's going to show you where your inaccuracies are. Not only that, but if you didn't see the previous video or my previous videos, you can actually check this box right here and create an eOscar code dispute letter. There's literally no app on the market other than mine that's going to create an eOscar code dispute letter for you, where it's going to have all 3 bureaus. You're going to have to get this notarized. It's going to show all your accounts. So if you're saying this account is not mine, then you would say claims not his or hers. It's going to put that code from Oscar directly onto the Oscar code dispute letter. But this is going to create the perfect dispute reason for you. So if we go and head over to our Identity IQ print letter, we're going to see that our dispute reason was created and it says account number 112011768. Delete this account because of the inaccurately reported date of last payment, because that's what we chose. And then it inserts the dates for you, 10/23, 10/23, 6/23. Not only that, but we also have exhibits, and that's on a future version where it's going to actually have all of the information directly from the credit report, and it's going to add it into its own page that you can print out and send with your letter. That's going to prove all of the inaccuracies or the violations, because it's actually going to show all of this data, which is directly from your credit report. If you are tired of spending a ton of time and money trying to figure your disputes out, if you're tired of not getting results, if you're tired of the credit bureaus coming back and saying this is verified as accurate or what have you, and you just don't have the credit score that you want, then this is the app that you want to get. And right now, again, until the 15th, it's going to be $149. One-time payment, access all previous and current and future versions, no recurring costs, but as soon as the 15th hits, it's going to be $49 per month. Look how simple this is. Add your info, choose a dispute, choose a letter, add a closing, add your accounts, print the letter, and be on your way. We have 120 different features that are being built out, but you can also save even more, an extra $39 if you want to pay with Bitcoin. Go check this out. Links are down in the description. It is sendme2.co/shop.auto if you wanted to do it via debit or credit. And if you wanted to do it via Bitcoin, you'll find the link down in the description for more information. But that is it for right now. Delete and dispute and delete and then repeat.